Welcome to Once Upon a Case. If you find real legal case stories as fascinating as I do, don't forget to like and subscribe for more. Have you ever wondered what happens when a company makes a promise and then suddenly decides not to keep it? Let me tell you about Feinberg v. Pfeiffer Company, a classic case that shaped American contract law, and honestly, it's got a twist you might not expect. So picture this, it's the 1950s. Sarah Feinberg works for Pfeiffer Company for nearly 40 years. She's dedicated, loyal basically, the employee every boss dreams about. When she's about to retire, Pfeiffer's board of directors decides to thank her for all those years with a promise. A lifetime annual payment of $200 a month. Not a bad deal, right? Sarah retires, starts getting her payments, and life is good. But 2 years later, the company has a change of heart. They stop the checks. Just like that. Sarah's left wondering, can a company really just break a promise like that? So she sues, and the company fights back. Their argument? Well, technically they say, Sarah didn't give anything in exchange for that promise. No consideration, as the lawyers call it. In contract law, that's usually a deal breaker. No consideration, no contract. But here's where it gets interesting. The court looks at the situation and says, hold on. Sarah relied on that promise. She made her retirement plans based on it. She gave up her job expecting that money. That's called Promissory Estoppel, a fancy term. But it just means the company can't back out of a promise if someone else relied on it in a big way. In the end, the court sides with Sarah. Pfeiffer Company has to pay up. And this changed the game for future cases, making it clear that sometimes a promise really does mean something, even if it's not in a typical contract. So next time someone tells you a promise is a promise, you can say, yep, and sometimes the law agrees. That's the story of Feinberg v. Pfeiffer Company. A reminder that trust matters and that the little guy can win, even against a big company. Thanks for watching. And if you like this, give it a thumbs up. And subscribe. It really helps the channel grow.